Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is a chart of DXY US dollar in front of us right now. If you have watched my yesterday's video on Euro USD, then hopefully you have made good money, because as per our expectation there was a breakout on Euro USD and you can see that Euro USD is still going down. Yesterday I clearly mentioned that Euro USD is in 52 weeks low right now, and it is very weak, extremely weak right now. Okay, in a market condition like this, you should only look for selling opportunities only, because trend of the market is towards the downside, and as we all know, trend is the most important thing. Trend is your friend. After the US sales report, you can see that the dollar is extremely bullish, and if you look at the chart here, then you can clearly see we do not have any resistance right now. If I take you to the higher time frame, like the weekly time frame, in the weekly time frame also you can see that dollar is extremely bullish, no resistance on the chart. So things are pretty bad for currency pairs like Euro USD. So you can see that we have a sharp fall on Euro USD right now. What should be a trading strategy then in a market condition like this? As I said, only way to make money is to take a sell position. Okay, if I take you to the weekly chart, sorry, the forex sentiment meter here, then you can see 89% retail traders have taken long position and only 10% have taken short position. It means that 89% still are on the buy side of Euro USD, and this is the condition of the market. This happens because we mostly fail to follow the trend of the market. My dear friends, please, if you still have a buy position on Euro USD, if you still have not listened to my previous suggestions, then please, it's your high time to come out. It's your high time to protect your hard-earned money. Okay, and on the other hand, if you're looking for fresh position on Euro USD, then the only trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro USD is if market goes up. Okay, if market goes, yes, listen to me. Okay, if market goes up and reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position. That is your first trading opportunity. But looking at the present condition of Euro USD, I highly doubt that Euro USD will be able to go up. So in this case, okay, in this case you can wait for a couple of hours. Okay, you can wait for a couple of hours and wait for a fresh breakout in the market. Okay, right now this is the 4-hour chart here. You can see fresh selling going on. Okay, in this kind of a scenario, if you take a sell position here, it is very risky here. First of all, your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, yes, these kind of candles are very lucrative. You may feel that I can make a huge amount of money. Yes, you can make a huge amount of money, but that is like a 50-50 chance. That is just like gambling, and as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So if you take a sell position here, then it is very risky. Do not take the sell position right now. You can see price is also rejecting from below. So if it goes up and reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position. But if it fails also, then what you can do is that wait for the market, wait for at least 5 to 6 hours and just observe the market. Just observe the market and see. Because if you just look at this chart here, you can see before this huge fall, there was some consolidation in the market. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, before this huge fall, you can see there was some consolidation in the market. Here also you can see some consolidation, and here also you can see some consolidation. So we had a fall right now. You can see market is falling, so obviously there will be some consolidation again. So if you find market forming 2-3 candles here, okay, then afterwards, after the 2-3 candles, if market falls again, then you can take a sell position. When there will be fresh selling on the market again, you can take a sell position, but not right now. If you have missed the opportunity, then do not enter right now. I have also missed the opportunity because I was making this video, but do not enter right now. That's it. Okay, so first trading opportunity is if market goes up and reverses from the trend line. Yes, well and good. good selling position. And if market fails to go up, because yes, condition of the market is very bad, market fails to go up, and after forming 2-3 candles or after consolidation, if market goes down again, you can take a fresh sell position. Okay, and whatever you do, get the additional confirmation from DXY, because there is a correlation with the DXY. When dollar goes up, we generally see Euro USD going down. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.